We had the rain yesterday, but today we have sunshine.
We'll take
we'll
it.
mix a few clouds in as well. And we also have seasonal temperatures. And this is a transition day because after today, we're going to see temperature highs near our lows this morning. We're in the 20s out there, 28 Middletown, 26 West Union. Our winds will gust into the 20s today out of the southwest, so that will give us a bit of a wind chill as we go into the afternoon. Now, we are really going to see pretty much sunny skies throughout much of the day, but we will see a few extra clouds later because of a fast-moving Clipper system that's going to come into play, and that is going to bring us maybe a flurry possible or maybe a light shower, because keep in mind the timing on when that system does arrive later during the day will depend upon the type of precipitation, and it's not going to be a lot. It's just going to be fairly barely noticeable across the region. We're going to have a series of clippers. The first one today could bring us again a little flurry, likely late this evening, or a light rain shower, very spotty. The second one is going to arrive on Saturday, and that will likely bring us a chance of our first measurable snowfall. At this juncture, it looks like it's going to be an overnight start and into the early portion of Saturday, ending later in the day, Saturday afternoon. And we're looking at maybe a half an inch, possibly up to an inch at this point. Still fine tuning that, but the cold air is going to be in place, and that is going to ensure that the precipitation that we do see is, those icy types of, at least snow, not ice, but snow, crystal form. 28 degrees at 8, and by noon we're at 41. 2 p.m. we're in the lower to mid 40s, and that's where we'll likely top out. Again, tomorrow temperatures dropping, and we'll see about 34 degrees after another cold start. Here's your 9 First Warning 7-day forecast, and you see where we're going with this. Overnight lows barely in the lower 20s, daytime highs in the low 30s, even through Friday and into Saturday. That's our chance for some snow showers. Sunday, 34, and we'll get a little break on Monday, back to about 40, but the next system will come in, another clipper, and we can see a few more snow showers.